Hello, this is George Senda, and this is my actual honest review instead of the fake honest reviews you see on Amazon of the 7 Blue 2-pack under sink organizer, under bathroom cabinet organizer with hooks, hanging cup, multi-purpose storage shelves for kitchen, bathroom, black. This is 12.8 inch. They have a 14 inch. I paid $13.99 for this, not counting my point from Amazon. Now, this is the small one. It has a hook with no way to hold the hook onto it. You just put it on there. It has side hooks. There's two there. There's none here. You'd think they would have hooks. It has hole covers. Now, there's no reason to make this thing with holes. They could have sealed that in. The hole cover just to cover the holes. God knows why. There are caps to cover the top holes, but I'm missing one. I don't know if I dropped it or whatever. And they show them sliding these things out from under the sink. Well, this is the one they call medium. I called it small. It doesn't do any sliding because it's got plugs in the bottom to hold it in place. And they have holes here now, probably for liquid, if liquid comes out. And I had one left over that doesn't go anywhere. And two of them are not flush with the hole. So this is what they call a medium. I call it a small. Now you can put, what do I do with it? There it is. On either one of these, you can put a bottle of Lysol, but it would be a real pain to get this out because it's too tall for this small item. So you could put it up here, but then you've got the problem of is your area in your sink high enough, and this is going to tip over the minute you try to grab it. So I would not recommend this for large bottles. Now, this took me, by the way, they also said it's easy to assemble. Bull. This is the little cup. I don't know what you would use this little cup for unless you put sponges in here. They give you two clips here, and then they give you two hooks here, but you would think they'd have them on both ends. And again, you have these are they don't have any hole covers. They have one here, none here, none here. And again, these have feet. These are not going to go sliding like you're ice skating. Now, this will hold the Lysol. It's big enough to hold that. You slide this over. I would probably glue this here between the two hooks so it leaves you free to get, but even with this, the Lysol bottle is it's hitting the top. So they show laundry detergent in there, Tide, Lysol toilet bowl cleaner, a gigantic bottle of something, Clorox scope. Why you wouldn't want to put your scope with, when I worked retail years ago, you don't put chemicals with things you eat. So you're not going to put in your mouthwash down there because it's not safe. And what looks like it might be a bag of cat litter or baking soda, and there's Drano. So this is for, that's under your kitchen sink. And they have ones showing them in the bathroom with all their cosmetics and stuff. But you never put chemicals with foodstuffs because you could get accidentally poisoned. So I would not recommend this thing for storing anything tall. This would work well if you have, I don't know, small bottles. It's not going to work with a big bag of Tide. It's not going to work with whatever that giant white thing is. You could do this with small things of Clorox wipes, Brillo pads, SOS pads, small stuff. Small bag of Tide, but I don't use Tide because Tide makes me itch. So the 7 Blue 2-pack under sink organizer with hooks that are in weird places and no wheels and no way to slide it out just doesn't work, folks. Avoid this item. I'm going to keep it. I'll clear out under the sink. I can get at least the Lysol bottles like this one off my living room floor and my kitchen floor. That's why I got it, but it's not worth $14. And it took me 2 hours to assemble it. And what they don't show, it's so easy to assemble. Bull. You have to turn the rods clockwise until they tighten. And I tried the other way, it wouldn't work. And then it kept coming apart from the top level. But there's no sliding the one drawer out like they show. How they got that to happen, I don't know. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and an Amazon item that leaves something to be desired. Have a great night. I am the guy from Pittsburgh on YouTube. The official, the real, the authentic, the real, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh. Thanks for watching. See you later.